Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We're gonna do a little series of what to know or what you as a homeowner should know prior to investing in crawl space encapsulation. And we're gonna start this series off with, does crawl space encapsulation increase the value of your home? Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about crawl space encapsulation, waterproofing, mold remediation. We also have a DIY store if you all want to do this yourself, or if you want us to take a look at your crawl space, you can click the link down below to make an appointment. And we also have franchise opportunities all across the US. We hope you'll check into that too. Okay, so there's been a lot of articles and a lot of people have asked, does encapsulating my crawl space increase the home's value? And especially in the DIY, where you're watching people flip houses on TV and all that kind of stuff, it's become a big deal, right? If you plant 3 shrubs, your lawn maintenance is increased $100,000 or whatever that magical number they say. But let's look at crawl space encapsulations. If you install a proper crawl space encapsulation where you're controlling humidity, you've gotten rid of the mold, you've properly insulated, and you're taking care of any type of soil gases and all that sort of thing, does that increase the value of your home? And what we have personally seen is no. It typically does not increase the value of your home. So in other words, I'm not going to tell you that if you want to make an extra $25,000 on your home sale, spend $10,000 on your crawl space, because we don't find that to be true at all. But I still think it's important to encapsulate the crawl space now. Whether you're thinking about selling your home or not, enjoy the benefits of crawl space encapsulation. And then when you do go to sell your home, first of all, the benefits of crawl space encapsulation is, better energy efficiency, better indoor air quality, your hardwood isn't going to cup, your home is just going to be dry all year round. You got a lot of benefits from encapsulating the home now while you plan on staying. And then when you do decide to sell the home, it becomes a non-issue. What we have seen, even though crawl spaces don't improve value of homes, what they do is they will eliminate the sale. You've got the homeowner that's made the offer on the house, you got all that worked out, and then the inspection period starts, right? And then you got that home inspector that goes into that crawl space. They see dripping wet insulation, they see mold everywhere, they see wood rot fungus destroying the subfloor, they see standing water or plastic shifted or no insulation or whatever it is they find, and then that becomes an issue that could hinder, if not completely destroy, the sale of your house. So you got a $400,000 offer, and of course, what's the buyer going to want to do? They're going to want to either negotiate that off of the price, and then you're spending money on something that you're not going to be able to enjoy, when if you would have done it 3 years ago, you could have lived with a great crawl space for 3 years. Or they'll just totally walk away, and then you got to get that process all started all over again. So if you're thinking about selling your home in the next 3 months to 13 years, you should encapsulate your crawl space now. Make sure it's done right by a professional that goes after indoor air quality, and make sure that it's done hopefully by Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you'll make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.